Well, basically, some of the necessary factors are, number one, you want to be able to reduce your balances on your credit cards. That's one of the key factors. The balances on the credit card says so much about you. It's also very important to make all payments on time. Having a late payment will affect your credit score by 35%. If you ever decide to start closing accounts, you want to leave your oldest account open because length of history.
Wow. Okay. And then reducing the number of inquiries.
It's almost like getting those phone calls on caller ID that you know when you see this person, they're asking for money.
Our last step to building a good credit score, have a variety of credit.
You know, the more variety of credit you have, it shows that you have a balance in your life, that all credit is important to you. Because, you know, when we, I guess, have the opportunity to talk about credit scores, we can touch on that.